How does Huzur see the future for Africa, one of the poorest continents in this world, and in contrast to this, the future of America as in being one of the richest?
America is the richest country in the world because of so many poor countries in the world, not only Africa, but other poor countries like India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, etc. All the wealth of these countries are being robbed through a system which is based on usury, and gradually, like leeches, the rich countries of the world suck the blood of the poor countries until there is nothing left. But inshallah, I am certain that with the spread of Ahmadiyyah we will change these things completely, and we will begin to bleed them inshallah at last. It's based on capitalism, that's the problem. The capitalism is based on interest, and all the wars in the world have taken place because of interest system. So I have repeatedly explained this question in detail, but now unfortunately there is not time left enough for me to give further detail of this. But capitalism, as you understand very well, is responsible for the poverty in every country itself. In America, you consider it's very rich, but there is Harlem in America. Poor people who are sleeping out in extreme cold. In England, there are people who in the freezing nights sleep on the street or under the bridges. So this usually based system of capitalism is an extreme cruelty to man, not only in their own countries, but not only to the other countries, but in their own countries as well. So as I have said, inshallah, Africa will rise one day, and with the spread of Ahmadiyyah, things will be changed. We will not borrow anything on capitalism, on usury or interest from other countries of the world.